Good morning, polar bears. What is up, y'all? It is Friday, April 30th, 2021, and welcome to another episode of Engineer Design with me, Mr. B. So, today is a fun fact. It's my dad's birthday, so shout out to him. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So last week, we did talk about architecture. Right? We started to talk about architecture. And as a reminder, that is the art. Yes, the art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. I did include this random picture of some pickles. So answer the question in the Google chat. Make sure it is pickles. To build beautiful buildings, y'all, to build beautiful houses, beautiful buildings like these, right? These buildings can be found all over the world, in Australia, in England, in New York City, and beyond. In order to build these buildings, architects, first off, must draw. And their drawings are going to look a little something like this. Out on the right, this is what we call plan view drawing. And we'll get more into that in just a bit. But it's a lot of calculations. It's exactly, you want to try to put a certain room next to another room. You're basically designing the entire building or the entire house. And nowadays we can use software like the one on the left where we can actually see how that might look, right? So these two work together. And plan view, y'all, this is what we just saw. And you'll see another example in just a bit. This is the view from above. It's like you're looking down at something. Specifically, when we say plan view, it's like you're looking down into a building or into a house. And I'll have a pretty good example of what that might look like. This is an example, actually. This is a plan view of this really big house. This is not my house by any means, but a really big house. You have a kitchen of sorts, a family room, a living room. Some people call that a family room. Sorry, this is the kitchen. This is the dining room here. So just again, you're looking down into, this is like if I'm looking from the sky down through the roof and into the house. So I think a pretty cool thing to think of is like a dollhouse. If you ever played with a dollhouse or ever seen a dollhouse, or even like a Lego building, right? If you ever played with Legos growing up, this is like if you just take off the roof and you can see the walls, you can see each room. That's what a plan view drawing is like. So again, picture this house, take off that roof, just throw it off or whatever. And as you look down, you're going to see the walls, you're going to see where the kitchen is, you're going to see where the rooms are. And that is plan. Now we are going to build something. We are going to start building what we call your own apartment. It's going to be kind of like your dream apartment. This is a checklist I'm going to include in Google Classroom. Make sure to watch the rest of the video. It will help you out. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Continue to the rest of the video.